Welcome back, guys. So we are finally gonna write our first HTML code. So let's do it and jump right into it. I will load up brackets. So from the beginning, I would like that you start to save your HTML code in a special way, saving each HTML code in a single folder, which makes your code more aligned and simplified for you to see again if you are gonna review it afterwards. So I'm gonna make a new folder and open it, and I'm gonna go in languages, web developing, HTML. I would like to make a new folder, HTML demo. Select folder and a new folder named our first code. Select folder, and I will make a new file new, save as. I will save it as index.html. Index.html is a widely used name for HTML files, which are the main HTML files. So let's write the first code. We will begin with document.type, doc for document, and then type, type, document type HTML. So what does this line mean? This line shows the computer and the interpreter that this is the HTML code that we are gonna write after this. So after writing document type, we will begin writing our HTML code. The basic element of HTML code is HTML tags. So we will type in HTML tags. Tags are the basic elements of the HTML coding. These tags are known as markup tags. These tags are things in which all of the code of HTML goes in. The HTML tag is the basic tag. In this tag, all the elements of HTML goes in. For example, if you are gonna save an image, a video, a text, colors, etc., everything goes into HTML tags. So as being basics, these HTML tags are gonna surround all of the HTML code. After the HTML tags, I would like to put the header tags. Head tags are those tags in which the main things that are used to define before every other coding in HTML. So I will type in the head tags. So what goes in the head tags? Head tags are displayed before anything like text, buttons, images, videos that are you going to display in your website. So what will go in the head tags? There are links to other HTML codes or CSS codes, or we could type in the title. What is the title? Title is, as you can see, Google pops up and the new tab. This new tab written here is the title of this Google homepage, which means that it is written in the head tag. So let's type in the title tags, and in the title tags we will put the title we are gonna display. You can put anything you like, but I would like to display first code. After that, this is enough of the head tags because we are gonna start. This is our first coding. After that, we will display the body tags. Now, what are the body tags? Body tags are the main tags in which every element that is going to be displayed in a website goes in, which is gonna be displayed in the main body of the website. You could say that this is the main body of the website, in which you can see the Gmail links, images links, the Google picture, the search bar, the add shortcut, this search bar, the bookmarks, everything is displayed right now inside the body tags. So that means if we have to display any text in our website, we need to use the body tags, or images, videos, etc. Everything goes into the body tags. So right now we'll start with simple text, and the first text is H1. H1 is an short form of heading 1. Heading 1 means the largest heading in HTML. So we will type in it our first code together. If you don't understand the H1 tags, don't be skeptical. H1 tags are just simple, used for displaying code and text on the websites. Now H1 tags are followed by P tags. P tags are short form of paragraph. So if you are going to display a big paragraph on your website, paragraph tags are most commonly used. So we will write our hello to the surrounding fellows that develop websites. This is a simple text. Now we will first save our text. You could either go to right clicking the index.html and save, or you could either click on the text and Control S it to save the code. Now I will go to the live preview and click it. The window pops up, and as you can see, our text is displayed. Let's see how it is displayed. You could see that document.type describes that this code is of HTML. So HTML is printed out. After that, we type in the HTML tags. These HTML tags count in all of what goes inside an HTML coding. After the HTML tags come the head tags. Head tags. What head tags display? Head tags display normally the text or the picture icon of the website. The text is the title of the code. The title of the website is first code, and this first code is written here inside of the title tags. After the head tag is finished, we close the head tags by writing a /head, which marks the ending of the tags. We display the body tag. The body tag is also finished with a / body tag. So please be careful that every time you start a tag, you should finish it with a / and type the text of the tag. So don't leave your tags opened, as it can cause many problems and errors. In the body tag, at first we have written the heading tag, which includes our first code together. This our first code together, it displays here. It is an heading tag, which means that our code will be displayed like an heading. After that we have written our paragraph. This paragraph tag is written our hello to the surrounding fellows that develop websites. This paragraph is displayed here right below the heading tag, which means that there is a chronological order of displaying these tags, and thus the output is the same. So I will say bye bye to you for now, and we will see you in the next video, where we will share some more fun things about HTML coding. See you later.